Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to change your Jira password, whether you forgot it or you just want to update it for security. I'll keep things simple and, easy to follow. All right, let's get into it. So, first thing, Jira accounts are tied to your Atlassian profile, which means you can't change the password directly inside the Jira dashboard. Instead, we'll head over to the Atlassian account page. Go ahead and sign in with your email and your current password. If you're already logged in, that's great. You'll land on your account homepage right away. Next, look for the menu on the left side and click the section labeled Security. This is where Atlassian keeps everything related to sign-in and authentication. Under the security page, you'll see an option called Password. Click that and you'll get a simple form where you type your current password, then your new one. Make sure it's something strong, maybe mix letters, numbers, a few symbols, all that good stuff. After typing the new password twice, hit the Save or Update button. Atlassian may ask you to re-verify with your email. Then that's normal. Once that's done, your Jira login will use the new password instantly. And if you can't remember your old password at all, just use the forgot password link on the Jira login page. Atlassian will send you a reset link by email, super quick. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Jira password in 2026. If this walkthrough helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.